As the Biden team lays down the gauntlet with China, U.S. officials are now threatening to cut off an economic lifeline: oil from Iran. Since 2018, America's sanctions on Iran have crippled the country's economy, kept Tehran from operating within the global financial system, and forced those who want to sell Iranian crude to get creative. Operating largely in the shadows, millions of barrels of Iran's crude are being smuggled at sea. They're known as ghost ships.
It's sort of like money laundering, but for oil. It's a way of concealing the fact that this oil is actually coming from Iran and then taking it to other markets around the globe.
Some 2,500 tankers are traversing the world's waterways on any given day, and that means finding those carrying Iran's crude can be difficult. It requires satellite imagery. That's because crews regularly turn off transponders and manipulate location data.
They are now moving a lot more oil, and that's all because of the oil price itself going higher and higher. So it's inviting a lot more traders/smugglers into the business.
According to commodities data company Kepler, China, the world's largest importer of crude, is expected to import some 918,000 barrels a day from Iran in March. That's the highest volume in 2 years.
I think it's very difficult with China. China was not willing to abide by American sanctions. It kept importing oil from Iran. So I don't think it matters whether you ask them nicely or you try to dictate to China. I think either way, if they want to keep importing Iranian crude, they will find a way to keep doing so.
And that means a steady stream of cash to Tehran's coffers and creates a conundrum for Team Biden, looking to get tough on Beijing, while at the same time forcing Iran to negotiate. For CNBC in Abu Dhabi, I'm Hadley Gamble.